Low libido. It's not just about sex, it's about energy, confidence, connection, and your overall well-being. Let's break the silence around male sexual health and explore how you can naturally reignite your desire, your drive, and your vitality. Modern life isn't exactly libido-friendly. Stress, poor sleep, bad diet, sedentary habits, these all disrupt the delicate hormonal and neurological balance your body needs for a healthy sex drive. But here's the good news. Nature has your back. Let's start with the foundation, and that's stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which decreases testosterone. And when testosterone dips, so does libido. Deep breathing, daily movement, time in nature, even 10 minutes of mindfulness a day can begin to shift this balance. Next up, what's on your plate matters. Fuel your body with foods rich in zinc, magnesium, omega-3s, and antioxidants. These nutrients are key players in testosterone production and blood flow. Think leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, eggs, and yes, a little dark chocolate never hurts. Don't overlook emotional intimacy. Connection, affection, and communication fuel desire. When you feel emotionally seen and safe, your body responds. That spark doesn't just live in the bedroom. It starts with small, connected moments throughout the day. Physical movement, especially strength training, is a natural libido booster. It increases testosterone, improves blood circulation, enhances mood, and helps you feel more confident in your body. Even 30 minutes, 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference. And let's not forget sleep. Poor sleep equals poor libido. Your body produces the most testosterone during deep sleep. Skip rest, and you skip recovery. Try winding down without screens, lowering room temperature, and aiming for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep. Sometimes, natural solutions need professional support. If you're doing everything right but still struggling, it could be low testosterone, anxiety, depression, or another underlying health issue. At SDKare, we provide holistic, discreet, and evidence-based support for men's sexual health. From testosterone evaluations and stress management therapy to lifestyle counseling, our expert providers design personalized plans that work with your body and your life. You deserve to feel connected, confident, and full of life. Your libido is not a luxury. It's a signal of your overall health. And with the right tools and care, you can get it back. SDKare, simple, dedicated care, helping you unlock natural vitality starting today.